I'm looking for a bright orange suitcase because that's how I can usually find him. Let's see here. I don't see American. There he is. See that bright orange suitcase? He's looking at me. He's staring at me. He can't tell it's me. Here he comes.
Members of the Bush administration have accused Iran of waging a proxy war in Iraq against the
Let's see when he figures out that I have the flip on him.
The administration has accused Iran of training Iraqi militias and helping
He can't
to
tell yet.
arm them. What do you have that you could tell us about Ahmadinejad's
Here he comes
association
with the giant orange suitcase.
I don't know much actually. I remember in Tehran when I was
putting it in.
I met the Iraqi foreign minister.
I don't think he's seen me yet.
To urge Iran to stop supporting various Shiite groups in Iraq and support the government instead. So there is that evidence too from the Iraqi
He's always
government.
telling me to get my own stuff and not use
But
his.
At the same time, don't forget
So,
that
oh, there
Iran
goes the giant orange
has a
suitcase.
calm and united Iraq next door.
See what happens when he gets in the car.
Not
He sees it.
Couldn't wait.
What's that screaming?
Kids.
Hey, babe.
Hey, what's up?